Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add any gift card to Apple Wallet. So if you have received any gift card and you want to add it to wallet so you can do any purchase through it, I'll show you how it could be possible. First, you have to make sure you have the Apple Wallet app. If you don't have it, you can simply get it through the App Store, but mostly it is by default installed into mobile phone. Once it gets open, you may see your different cards, but you have to click onto that plus icon. Then you have to click onto this credit and debit card option. Simply click onto it, and after that, it will show you the option through which you can add that debit or credit card. So simply click on continue, and after that it will ask you to place your card and it will detect it. Otherwise, you can also do it manually. You have to click on to add option and add the card information here. But one thing you have to understand that you can only add your Master and Visa gift cards. You cannot add those gift cards that you have got from the shopping, or maybe from the coffee shop or from the supermarket or from any purchase or brand. You cannot add those because these are not legit and cannot be added as your gift card on Apple Wallet. Only Master and Visa card or maybe similar company card can be added as a gift card on Apple Wallet. So you have to keep that in mind. So once you have added, then in the cards you will have it. So whenever you purchase something, you can use those gift cards. So that's how you can add gift cards in Apple Wallet. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.